Hello trader, looking at euro dollar and British pound US dollar to see potential trading opportunity in this instrument. As tomorrow coming up, very important day for euro and British pound US dollar. We will be looking for potential entry on the lower time frame. So before we look at how we can trade on this instrument on the lower time frame, let's first look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly on euro dollar. So from the monthly chart on euro USD, we can see that it is bull market starting from this monthly resistance line. So far euro dollar has managed to break to the upside with a stronger momentum. Now with that momentum, euro dollar currently showing uh, long term picture bullish, and we may see that now potential deeper pullback in this instrument. Now dropping down to the weekly chart to see how the price is forming, we can see that from the weekly, so far this is also showing bullish momentum. This week initially the market has managed to break to the upside with this move, and currently the price in a pullback, and we could see the price coming for deeper pullback. As we have seen primary bounce, the price reached that significant level of weekly resistance line, and we could see the price to drop again for deeper pullback in this instrument. Now dropping down to the daily chart here, we can see that from the daily, this is the daily bullish engulfer with a gap open with a long wick, which we have seen yesterday. There was a strong rejection from this daily perspective. The price may now come back here for deeper pullback in that instrument. We could see that euro dollar to come back here to grab liquidity before it potentially bounce. So short term perspective, as there is a high impact news coming, we could see that euro dollar to come for deeper pullback here. So from the 4-hour chart here, we can see that this is the intraday time frame. There is a liquidity grab here, drop, followed by, we can see there's another liquidity grab here with a 4-hour bearish candle, expecting for this market potentially to drop again to that liquidity zone. As you can see that with this sideway movement, the market managed to break out, and now the bulls failed to create a higher high. What I think that now we may see that the price to come back here to that liquidity zone, as this is a high liquidity zone, and we could see the price before the news later today or after the news, we might see the price to retest. So short term, we could see that euro dollar to potentially drop back to that support level for potential retest in that area. So if we look at the 1 hour here, we can see that the market in a sideway movement. Therefore, in this area, stronger liquidity grab can give us potential selling opportunity in this market, possible move here. So as soon as we will find suitable price action confirmation, we will be looking for selling opportunity in this instrument. Now let's look at British pound US dollar to see what kind of price action it is forming. Now looking at monthly chart on GBP USD, we can see that this is the monthly price action, where from this support level there is a very strong breakout on the monthly, and with that monthly bounce, with this monthly bullish price action, we could see that GBP USD potentially to come for a deeper pullback. As the price reach that resistance line, we may see for the market to deepen for further pullback here. Looking at the weekly chart here, we can see there's a gap open, and with that gap open, the market reached that resistance line. We could see that GBP USD to come back here to this where there is a high liquidity, expecting GBP USD to deepen for further liquidity grab. Now looking at daily chart here, we can see that from the daily previous day also there was a bullish move. It's a very strongly bull market. As the market reached that resistance with a one stronger momentum, we could see now potential pullback here, and this is where there is a liquidity. As the market moves from liquidity to liquidity, expecting GBP USD drop for that deeper pullback here in that area. So this is the lower time frame price action. We'll be waiting for potential entry opportunity. As soon as we will find suitable price action, we'll be looking for going short on GBP USD with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoyed this education and analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.